Is your batch production feeling like a maze? Say hello to the ISA-88 series of standards, your ultimate guide to streamlined, standardized batch control. Developed by the International Society of Automation, ISA-88 is the gold standard for bringing order to the chaos, with clear terminology, organized data models and consistent recipe management. Here's how ISA-88 makes your batch production a breeze. Build a solid foundation with standardized concepts, ensuring everyone's speaking the same language. Master recipe representation with clear, efficient data models and language guidelines. Tired of inconsistent recipe management? This part's got your back with reliable, organized solutions. Say goodbye to scattered documentation. Keep your batch processes fully traceable with comprehensive records. Need practical, real-world solutions? We've got you covered. From machine state models to seamless recipe presentation, our standards show you exactly how to implement ISA-88 with confidence. Why settle for outdated clunky processes when you can achieve batch processes that are consistent, scalable, and effortlessly managed? Stop wrestling with complexity, embrace the simplicity of ISA-88. Ready to revolutionize your batch control? Visit isa.org/ISA-88 to get started.